All right, awesome college algebra students. Today I want to go over the business plan project that you're going to work on today in class. We're going to make some edits to this video, to this project to kind of simplify it a bit. There's some weird information here that I just want to eliminate. Now, the situation. You are a young entrepreneur. You are interested in starting your own cupcake business. However, you can't currently afford the bakery, the oven, and all the startup costs you have, so you need to take out a loan before you can apply for the loan. You need to put together a business plan, which you lay out your plan for making your business profitable. All right, now here's some basic information. Each day you can count on selling one shirt for 20. You know what? We're gonna get rid of this whole t-shirt. Okay. Don't. All right. So our income is only going to be based off of our cupcakes. Now, each day you will sell each bag of cupcakes for $6.75. Your total income function, or how is the relation of how many batches of cupcakes you sell. So income, this is also going to be the same thing as revenue. All right, and for this function, it'll be a y equals function. Well, y is money. Woohoo! All right, now the costs. However, it costs money to make cupcakes. You run electricity, pay your employees, and you estimate that cost is going to be about $250 each day. Also, it's going to cost money for the ingredients that you need for your cupcake batch. You will spend about 50 cents on ingredients per batch. So again, you're going to make another function where y equals the cost, and again, y is money. All right, so your project one is create a business plan, and two, answer these application questions. All right, so your business plan should cover these 1, 2, and 3. 1, write a system of equations for the situation. One equation will describe your income, and the other equation will describe your costs. Now, I want you to solve the system of equations in the 3 different ways. So you'll have 2 equations, but I want to see it solved graphically, using substitution and using elimination. For these, you can either do it on a slide presentation, or you can do it on paper, take a picture of it, and put it onto your slide presentation. All right, next, you're going to answer these 3 questions. After solving the system of equations, let me know how many batches of cupcakes you can sell in each day and still lose money. How many batches of cupcakes would you sell to break even? And how many batches of cupcakes you must sell to make a profit. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to make a slides presentation telling me a little bit about your cupcake business. Make sure you answer these 3 questions. Then at the end, here's an application question. All right, basically the bank is going to refuse your loan, and here's going to be a situation to see whether or not you can and cannot pay back your money. All right, I possibly could answer questions. I'm not sure what the day is going to bring, but again, please make sure you review this business plan. There was a typo. It says 4, it should be 3, and it should be pretty straightforward. All right, have a good one, and have a great weekend, and I will see you next week. Now, on the next page over here, this is how I'm grading it. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements that I'm looking at. And if you get them all, you get 5 points per element for a total of a 25-point project. All right. In this presentation, please make a slides presentation, and you're going to upload it to Canvas underneath the title Business Project Plan. All right. Just make sure we're on the top right corner where it says share. Please select anyone with the link so that when you upload your link to Canvas, I'll be able to click on it and see it. If you don't say anyone with the link, I won't be able to see your presentation. Please don't share it with me. Then I get all these emails and alerts, and I don't want any of that. Just make sure that you select that anyone with the link can view your profile. All right. It is a pretty simple, straightforward presentation. Please work in groups of 2. All right. You guys can work on the same presentation simultaneously, but I want you each to make sure you upload your own URL. All right. Now, if there's an odd number in class, there can only be one group of 3. All right, so again, groups of 2, please assign yourself. If you want to work by yourself, that's okay, but there can only be one group of 3. If you find that there are 2 groups of 3, please just separate off, break into your own groups. All right, I only want 2 people working on it. All right, now again, if you're working on them together, you can be working on the same presentation simultaneously, but please make sure that everyone uploads their own project. That being said, if you do have any questions, please send me an email. I should be available before 9:30, 10 o'clock by email. So you may,